Hey Ankit, this side. So today's topic is contingent contract that is given under section 31 to 36 of Indian Contract Act 1872. So first understand what basically a contract is. An agreement which is enforceable by law is contract. A contract are of many types, but there are basically two types of contract, an absolute contract and a contingent contract. What basically an absolute contract is? An absolute contract is the contract without any condition. An absolute contract is a contract that is absolute, that does not follow any condition. But a contingent contract is a contract which is enforceable by following a certain condition. Let's take example of contingent contract. We in day-to-day life always heard about life insurance. But what basically a life insurance is? A life insurance is a contingent contract that's promised to pay a certain amount when a person die due to particular condition. This is the best example of contingent contract in day-to-day life. Let's discuss the provision related to contingent contract that is given in Indian Contract Act. Section 31 of Indian Contract Act defines contingent contract. It states that if two or more parties enter into a contract to do or not to do something, if an event which is collateral to the contract does or does not happen, it is an contingent contract. The point to be noted here is there is some event that will happen or will not happen for a contingent contract. Suppose A enters into a contract with B that if B house getting burned, A will pay amount of 25,000 rupees to B. In this contract, there is an event that a house will burn at some particular time, then A will going to pay a amount to B. This is a example of contingent contract where there is does or does not event. When event is happening or event is not happening, then the contract will be fulfilled. Essentials of contingent contract. There are some essentials of contingent contract that are: first, it depends on happening or non-happening of the event. Second, the event is collateral to the contract. Third, the event should not be mere with the not mere will of the promisor. Fourth, there should be certainty in the event.